Hey everyone, in this video I will show you exactly how you can take black and white photos on the iPhone. Because imagine that you just open up the Instagram and you can see all of the black and white photos which look really nice and you want to recreate it yourself. How can you go ahead and do that? Of course, a few options here. At first, open up the camera and well, you cannot technically find it inside in here, but I just don't think it's the best option, but I will show it to you anyway. So in here, make sure that you are inside of the photos. You can see the photos are right here. And right now in the middle, just swipe up like this and more options show up. If you don't want to swipe up, you can just click on the arrow at the top and it just opens it like that. And at the bottom, we have a few icons, but you can also scroll through them. And completely on the right side, you have the filters in here. So if you click on filters, you can scroll through them right inside of the camera. So in here, you can get inside and just switch from the original to the vivid, warm, and many different ones are available. But once you go through all of them, you will get to the black and white. This one is not black and white, but the mono is black and white. The silver tone is black and white as well, and noir. So you have basically three options on how you can make the photos black and white right inside of the camera. So when I snap the picture, it will already be black and white. But that doesn't mean that you cannot turn existing photos into black and white pictures, because you definitely can. Now, let's say that you have like a picture inside of the gallery like this, and you want to turn it into black and white photo. For example, this one right here. In this case, what you can do is to still click on the edit button at the top right here. And what you can do in here is to simply go down to the very same filters tab. So if you click on filters, you can scroll through them easily, and the same filters are available just as inside of the camera. So just go to the last three, which are basically the black and white options that you have available. So that's how you can actually do it. And also, if you have an iPhone which supports the portrait mode, in there you can also take advantage of two additional monochrome options. So if you open up the camera, you don't go to the photos. As you can see at the bottom, there are the photos, but you swipe to the portrait. So when you swipe to the portrait, you can choose from the different lighting and options available. But keep in mind that you have to again scroll through all of them, and portraits are actually a bit different because you have to just like make sure you have a clear subject and the background is going to be blurred out a bit. So that's just the whole point of the portrait shots. But at the bottom or at the end of this list, you have two options, so you can switch from the black and white options here as well. So you can see these are colored, and at the end these are black and white. So this is an option as well. Now that's basically how it works. But wait until I show you this. Now, this thing which I've been working on is the Foxtecc educational platform. And inside, by the way, you can join it for free. It's linked down below. And inside you can find some video editing courses, more content being added constantly. So I have some social media, photo and video editing. You have iPhone apps explained where you can just go through, and more stuff which is actually being worked on. So like in-depth full guide of the App Store, for example, or other apps. As I say, more apps being added, but that's something that I thought you may be interested in. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Hope you found it useful. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the Foxtecc YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.